Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to start MCQs which is based on Microsoft Office Excel. So start karte hain. Let's get into the video. So first question is which is MS Excel? Sorry, what is MS Excel? MS Excel क्या है? So processor package based on window, spreadsheet package based on window, spreadsheet package based on window या processed package based on window. So the correct answer is second, spreadsheet package based on window. Okay, so second question is the worksheet of Excel is called Excel की worksheet को कहते हैं manual spreadsheet, electronic spreadsheet, mechanical spreadsheet या none of these. So the correct answer of this question is second, electronic spreadsheet. Okay, so third question is in Excel the pointer where it is present it's called. So जहाँ पे Excel में जहाँ पे pointer present होता है वह Excel कहलाता है. So option is active cell, current cell, A1 या home. So the correct option, so the correct answer is active cell. First option is correct. Okay. So move on. The next question is fourth question. Which of the following is not a spreadsheet software? So इनमें से कौन सा Excel का सॉफ्टवेयर नहीं है? So Vesicle, Multiplane या Lotus 1, 2, 3, none of these. So the correct answer is none of these. इनमें से कोई भी spreadsheet software नहीं है. Okay. So fifth question is which of the following is a capability? So इनमें से कौन सी Excel की क्षमता है या capability है? So worksheet, database, graphics, all of these. So fourth option is correct. These all are capability of Excel. So all of these is the right answer. Sixth question is what is the MS Excel extension? तो MS Excel का extension क्या है? So option is .doc, .txt, abdcc या .xls या इसको .xlsx भी बोलते हैं. Okay, so fourth option is correct. Seventh question is what is the shortest range in Excel? तो एक्सेल की सबसे छोटी रेंज कौन सी है? ऑप्शन इज शीट, पेज, बुक, सेल. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज सेल. फोर्थ ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट. ओके. एट्थ क्वेश्चन इज एक्सेल इज द वर्कबुक कलेक्शन. सो एक्सेल वर्कबुक कलेक्शन है चार्ट का, वर्कबुक का, वर्कशीट का या सेकेंड एंड थ्री बोथ. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज थ्री, वर्कशीट का है. Ninth question is what is the total number of row in an Excel sheet? So total number of row कितनी होती है Excel sheet में? 10,48,756, 10,48,556, 16,300 या 1,048. So the correct answer is 10,48,756 is the right answer. 10th question is in Excel the intersection of a row and column is called a. So option है square, cubicle, cell या worksheet. So the correct answer is cell. 3 is the correct answer. 11th question is to execute save command use the function key. So option है shift plus F12, F12, alt F12 या none of these. So the correct answer is shift plus F12. First option is correct. Okay, so move on. The next question is 12th question. Like MS Word software spreadsheet also have basic. So MS Word सॉफ्टवेयर की जैसे स्प्रेडशीट में भी बेसिक्स हैं. सो टूल्स, फीचर्स, कमांड या टेबल. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज फीचर्स. ओके, सेकेंड ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट. So 13th question is there are maximum number of worksheet in Excel. So maximum number of worksheet कितनी होती है Excel में? 256, 112, 255 या 110. So the correct answer is 3, 255. Okay. 14th question is what is the default workbook label in an worksheet? डिफॉल्ट वर्कबुक का लेवल एक्सेल वर्कशीट में क्या होता है? सो शीट 1, वर्कबुक, बुक 1 या नन ऑफ द अबव. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज बुक 1. 3 ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट. ओके. 15 question is what is the total number of column in Excel sheet? तो total number of column कितनी होती है Excel sheet में? 16,384, 10,48,576, 10,48,577 या 16,300. So the correct answer is 16,384 is the right answer. 16 question is which function in Excel is used to find the biggest value in a range? So biggest value को फाइंड करने के लिए कौन सा फंक्शन यूज होता है? मैक्स, मिन, मीडियन या मिड. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज फर्स्ट मैक्स. मैक्स इज द राइट आंसर. 17 question is which sign is used to make the cell execute? सेल को एग्जीक्यूट करने के लिए कौन सा साइन हम यूज करते हैं? एंड, हैशटैग, डॉलर या इक्वल टू. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज डॉलर. Second option is correct. 18 question is which of the following cell is called home? So option है A1, B1, C1 या none of these. So the correct answer of this question, first A1. A1 is the right answer. So 19 question is which sign it is necessary to start a formula in Excel? Excel में formula शुरू करने के लिए कौन सा साइन लगाना necessary है? So option है equal to, hashtag, dollar या @. So the correct answer is equal to. First option is correct. Okay, move on the next question. Is last question. Excel can display up to fields of a data forms. Option है 16, 32, 64, 128. So the correct answer is 4, 128 is the right answer. So MCQ is done. Thank you.